Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Naugatuck, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance relocation occurs when you travel more than 50 miles from your current home or office. Many movers avoid crossing state boundaries due to licensing restrictions. However, when you pick our long-distance service, we will go to any distance you specify. We work in conjunction with state and federal relocation agencies and have the necessary permits. Additionally, our long-distance movements are well organized. Our movers will help you sort and pack your belongings. They treat your possessions with care, and we use solid and spacious moving vans. We have insurance plans in place to safeguard ourselves and our clients against any risks. When you use our services, you can be confident that we will handle your long-distance move professionally. Local moves occur within a radius of less than 50 miles from your current home or office. Interestingly, they are among our specializations. We are familiar with all the routes in Naugatuck, Connecticut, and will move your belongings efficiently to their new location. Long-distance moves are, on average, more costly than local moves. However, you will obtain the most affordable rates for long-distance and local moves when we handle your move. Our hourly rates are inexpensive, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Naugatuck moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.